Ever found yourself staring blankly at your bills, wondering how to automate those recurring payments without the monthly mental scramble? Or perhaps you're trying to set up a regular transfer to a savings account but can't quite figure out the tech? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of direct debits and standing orders on Monzo, your friendly digital banking companion. Forget complicated jargon and endless menus. We're going to break it all down step by step, so you can take control of your finances with ease and confidence. Think about it. How much time and energy do you spend each month remembering to pay your rent, electricity bill, or that subscription you love? What if you could set it all up once and let Monzo handle the rest, automatically? That's the power of direct debits and standing orders. They're like your personal financial assistants, ensuring your regular payments go out on time, every time, without you having to lift a finger. But what exactly are direct debits and standing orders, and how do they differ? It's a common point of confusion, so let's clear that up right away. Direct debits. Imagine you have a gym membership or a phone contract. The amount you pay might vary slightly each month depending on usage or specific charges. With a direct debit, you give the company permission to take the money directly from your Monzo account on a pre-agreed schedule. The company initiates the payment, and the amount can change. This is super handy for bills where the amount isn't fixed. Standing orders. Now, picture this. You want to send a fixed amount of money to your savings account every month, or perhaps you regularly contribute to a friend's birthday fund. A standing order is an instruction you set up yourself within your Monzo app to send a specific amount of money to a specific account on a regular basis. The amount and frequency are always the same unless you change them. You are in control of initiating these payments. So, to put it simply, direct debits are initiated by the recipient, like a utility company, and the amount can vary. Standing orders are initiated by you, the Monzo account holder, and the amount and frequency are fixed. Now that we've got the definitions sorted, let's get practical. How do you actually set these up in your Monzo app? Don't worry, it's incredibly straightforward. Setting up a direct debit on Monzo. Generally, you won't set up a direct debit within the Monzo app itself. Instead, the company you want to pay, e.g., your energy provider, will usually have a form or online process where you provide your bank details. This often involves giving your account number and sort code. However, Monzo makes it incredibly easy to manage and monitor your existing direct debits. Here's how you can see and interact with them within the app. Open your Monzo app, tap the colorful Monzo icon on your phone. Head to your home feed. This is usually the first screen you see, showing your current balance and recent transactions. Scroll down to Upcoming Payments. You'll find a section that lists any scheduled direct debits and standing orders. Tap on this. View your direct debits. Here, you'll see a list of all the companies that have a direct debit set up with your Monzo account, along with the date of the next payment. Tap on a specific direct debit. This will give you more details, such as the regular payment amount, if it's consistent, the payment schedule, and options to manage it. Managing your direct debits. Monzo gives you a good level of control over your direct debits. See Upcoming Payments. You can easily see what's due and when, helping you manage your funds. Get notifications. Monzo will often send you a notification a day or two before a direct debit is due to be taken, giving you a heads up. Pay early option. For some direct debits in some cases, Monzo might offer you the option to pay a direct debit a day or two early if you want to ensure funds are available. Freeze a direct debit. If you have a dispute with a company or need to temporarily stop a payment, Monzo allows you to freeze a direct debit. This will prevent the next payment from being taken. You can then unfreeze it later if needed. This is a fantastic security feature. Cancel a direct debit. If you no longer need a particular direct debit, you can cancel it directly through the Monzo app. However, it's always a good idea to also inform the company you're canceling with to avoid any confusion. Setting up a standing order on Monzo. Now, let's move on to standing orders, the ones you're in complete control of setting up. Here's how you do it in the Monzo app. Open your Monzo app. Again, tap that Monzo icon. Tap the Payments tab. This is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Select Scheduled. You'll see options for Pay Someone, Get Paid, and Scheduled. Tap on Scheduled. Tap Set up a standing order. This will take you to the setup screen. Choose the recipient. You can either choose someone you've paid before or tap Pay Someone New. If it's someone new, you'll need their bank details, account number, and sort code. Enter the amount. Specify the exact amount you want to send with each recurring payment. Set the start date. Choose the date you want the first payment to go out. Select the frequency. Decide how often you want the payment to be made. Your options usually include weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, and so on. Add a reference. Optional. This is a short note that will appear on the recipient's bank statement, helping them identify the payment. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details you've entered to make sure they're correct. Once you're happy, tap Confirm or a similar button. And that's it. Your standing order is now set up. You'll be able to see it listed in the Scheduled section of your Payments tab. Managing your standing orders. Just like with direct debits, Monzo provides you with the tools to manage your standing orders. View upcoming payments. You can see a list of your scheduled standing orders and when the next payment is due. Edit a standing order. Need to change the amount, frequency, or end date. You can usually edit these details directly within the app. Just tap on the standing order you want to modify and look for an edit option. Cancel a standing order. If you no longer need a standing order, you can easily cancel it through the app. Again, it's always a good idea to inform the recipient if necessary. Why are direct debits and standing orders so useful? Now that you know how to set them up and manage them, let's talk about why they're such valuable tools for managing your money. Convenience. Say goodbye to manually paying the same bills every month. Set it up once, and it's done. Avoid late fees. Ensure your bills are paid on time, every time, helping you avoid those pesky late payment charges. Consistency. Automate your savings contributions or regular payments to friends and family, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. Peace of mind. Knowing your regular payments are taken care of can reduce financial stress and free up your mental energy. Better budgeting. By seeing your scheduled payments, you can get a clearer picture of your upcoming outgoings and plan your budget accordingly. Control. With Monzo, you have a good level of control over both direct debits and standing orders, allowing you to manage them effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.